This is a great set to keep your little ones entertained. It's a magnetic building cube set that has 200 pieces. So when we are opening this up, it looks like this. Really, really nice. And the pieces coming in 2 rows. Here we have all of the fire pieces, and they look like this from each side. I love it that they have even the sound. Very nice. This I took here, so these belong with it to the fire. All of this is magnetic, lightweight, very good for little fingers. Your child should be over 3 years, otherwise there could be a choking hazard. Here is the water. Each side looks even. This one is wood. That is very good. If you can put them all together and they will fit together here, but not vertically. Oh, yes, also vertically. So fantastic. This here is some kind of lawn that you can put here. Really nice. This here is wall or stone or brick. Here you have all of the fences. Really cute. I really love them. So really good for kids to get their imagination going. Here we have some more garden, lawn, and flower beds. Really, really nice. So this one here looks like animals. So of course this here looks like some cows. There we have flowers. They look like tulips. Very, very good. There. They look like tulips from the side. That's amazing. Such a 3D effect. Here we have on this side, looks like a bunny rabbit. There's a croissant. This is all like sheep fur. So cute. Really nice. So, oh no, it's a male sheep. Love it. So it's not a croissant. It's the horns. I see. It's a ram, isn't it? So cute. So this one here is the cow. As you can see, here is the face. These ones are the ears. There's the top and the other side. Oh, that's so clever. Love it. Here we have just some textured pink. And here is the piggy. Oh, it's so cute with the ears. Really nice. I want to play with this. I need to drive the car. That's the problem. Here we have some boxes and crates. Very, very good. Really love them. And this here is the second row that contains also some wooden blocks that your child can use. This here looks like leaves and hedge. Very, very good. This here could be coal or ore. What do we have here? More coal, ore, all in these little squares. Love it. Here we have a man, just one. Absolutely adorable. And these are some more crates. And as you can hear, all of these make little sounds. Here we have some more of the flames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Really nice magnetic, but really lightweight. So fantastic for the car or for the coach or for the plane. Here again, golden tulips that you can see from different sides. I love the 3D effect. Absolutely adorable. Here's some more stone. Love it. There we go. Here we have some more wood. And this here is the lawn or the grass. Really, really nice. And then we have here a little sheet about what you can make. So absolutely cute. So something that I've showed you. Here, I said these are crates. No, these are the wings of the mill. Love it. So cute. So it says here how many you have and how you can build them. Very clever. And these are some examples of what your child can build. So really, really good set that I absolutely love and that I gladly recommend to you. Fantastic. Absolutely adorable. Really, really good.